everybody, it's Shannon here, Art Junkie, and it is Teatuesday. However, I am having cherry juice. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. And I got some packages in the mail. I got a Temu order and I got some, I think these are AliExpress orders. Let's open them up, see what we got. All right. Another package. Okay. All right, this is some very soft, very fine crochet thread. I want to make some of these, that pat. Oh my goodness. Becky at Beck's Creations made me this. And some Happy Mail I won from her. And I want to make some with this stuff here. So we will see. Well, we will see if we can able to do that. We'll try. And I have another one in here. Another cheap bag of yarn. And it ordered. Tell you how much. It was like $1.58 or something like that. Super cheap. Oh, similar. Okay, similar to the same thing. See what this is. Let's see what this is. It's very soft, which is nice. It's plies. It's got a bunch of different plies that are splitting. Let's see what it says it is. It says it's in Chinese. Children's clothing wool. I don't know what that is, to be honest. I don't know what that is. It's definitely not cotton, unless it's cotton with something else. I don't know what it is. It's soft. It's cheap. Do not bleach. Hold on a second, I gotta get my thingamajiggy. Hello! I'm old and blind now. Turned 57 today, I'm old and blind. All in Chinese, okay, Chinese. See what it says here. Not chlorine bleach, 120 to 140. Loaning, whatever that means. Dry in the shade. I'm shaking. Unfold rid. No, doesn't mean it's 5% something. 6% something else, 35% something else, 60% something else. Okay, I don't know what it is. If anybody knows what this is, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll just crochet it into something. I don't know what. Next bag. What we got in here. More bags in a box. Bags in a bags in a bags in a box. I don't know what this is. Just answering a message here from a friend. Alright, so I got some brads. I got some brads so I can make some more of my flowers that I make, you know, like, put them in here. No, those are other flowers that I make. Well, anyways. You know not very with it today. I was gone for the weekend, and then I went to my daughter. She wasn't feeling well. Then I had my half birthday there. And, anyways, I make flowers, and I use brads in them. So I got these brads, silver ones. And I got these bronze ones. So those are from the flower centers that I make. Okay. I ran out of those. I made a whole bunch of flowers and I ran out of them, so I got those. This is a dye. I like to get dyes from these places because they're so super cheap. Dyes are really expensive in Canada. Is that it? Okay. Look at this. This is pretty. Oh, yummy. These are pretty. I'll show you. For card making. Pretty. This one's one dye, and then there's two little ones on the side. Flower dyes. Let's see here. That's cute. I like those a lot. Those would be good for making cards, and I have a bunch of cards to make, like I always do. I always have a lot of cards to make. Everybody wants my cards. Here's another die set. Oh, this one's cute too. I like this too. More flowers. This would be nice, eh? Very pretty dies. Alrighty. Now, that's my AliExpress orders. And I got my Temu order. Temu. This is great. Lots of gifts from it. I'll show you what my daughter got me. She got me one of these big giant things here. And she got me another one in blue, but it hasn't arrived yet. So I'm gonna take this and this stuff here, this and this, and make a basket together. I have some of that pink stuff still left over. Alrighty, Temu time. Cut this here. Looks like it was someone got into it. I think the border agents had a looky-loo. Border people had a looky-loo. Alrighty. Got a bunch of goodies here. First of all, I got these dies. Cute, eh? It's so cheap, I can't help myself. Like $1 something. Oh, and then I got this one. Here, let me flip this around so you can see it better. This one's a little more expensive because it's a full sort of die set. But more expensive, I mean like $4. 3 something. Alrighty, here we are. See, it's a bee set. Got the beehive, it's got the honey, it's got the honeycomb, it's got the bees. Got the honey pot with the thing. It's like $3. I'll try to put the links on there if I can. I got this. This is like 8 pages. I saw Possum Patty get these on Temu. It's a whole bunch like a sayings you can put on ATC or cards, or start doing things you love. Have an open heart. Live your dream with passion. Make a difference. I'm happiest when I'm with you. Life has meant for the greatest adventures. So there's like 8 different ones. And I'll show you so you can see and you can go get some yourself because they're so fantastic. What happened to me? I saw Possum Patty, and I had to get my own. So it's pink. This is mixed colors. Green and pink. Purple and pink. Green and blue. More purple and pink. More green. Pink. So yeah, these are great. Fun. Put those in there with my, I put my little die sets in here. There. Put those in there. Oh, here's the card. Here's what I was looking for. Got a lot of things in that magic little box over there, you know? See? I put a little die in the middle of them. Different kinds of dies. See, there's a different die. There's a bigger one. Arrows. So that's what these are for. These are for these. I'm gonna keep those out, so I'm gonna make some of those. Then, you know, I've been having issues with my glue bottle. So I bought a couple of these glue bottles, these baby glue bottles. Oh, and they have the thing on them. Oh, nice. They have this. I don't know how that works. Just like that, maybe? That's good. I have my, this glue is really good. I got it from Walmart. Super cheap and it works good. All-purpose clear glue. But it's down near the end. It's about to here now. So it's giving me a hard time. So I'm going to pour some in there. I got 2 of them. Again, they're like 58 cents, you know? With the little bottle thing in there. Makes me happy. Save all those. I got this. It's peach or pink or whatever you want. It's velvet. So pretty. I'll put that in my my area where I put my trims. Then I got these bags, very small little things of acrylic wool for $6 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 kinds of different colors of wool. Wool, it's not wool, it's acrylic. Acrylic hand knitting linen line. Acrylic hand knitting line. It says. I bet it doesn't say anything other than that. Let's see. Magnifying glass off for you all. Oh, it actually speaks English. First grade. Acrylic 50%, polyester 50%. So that's what that is. Color cylinder. Oh, what is it? No chlorine bleach. Lawning. I don't know what that means. Dry cleaning or hand washing gently. Dry in the shade. Anyways, I got these so I can make some mandalas. So I got 2 sets. And then after I make my baskets, I can put these in the... Also nice colors anyways. Nice colors for mandalas. Nice and bright. Just little bits. Tiny little bits. Not a lot. Just a little. That's okay. Yellow. White. Blue. Another yellow. Couple pink and purple. Green, pink. Another green. Orange. Yeah, that's good. I like it. It's good. Good. And I got 2 sets, so that should be enough to, you know, do a couple of mandalas. I said these were like $6 and some cents. Looks like a good plan for me. So there's all my goodies I got. And drinking my drink. Cheers. Tuesday, Teatuesday. We didn't pull our card. Let's pull our card for Teatuesday. Oh, what a great word. Spiritual. Let's have a spiritual day today. So that was the day. I'm going out with my girlfriends today. I'm back home now, thank God. And let's see here. Tomorrow is live. I will do my live tomorrow, Wednesday. And Thursday is my day off. I may do a card Thursday since I didn't do one on Monday. I have some cards I have to make, as usual. Always have to make cards. And I'm going to make some of these again. Some more flowers. And gonna make some Friday. I think I'll make this basket for you with you guys. A big one. So that's the plan for the week. And Saturday is the last installment of #4th Art Saturday. Mary is resigning and ending that collaboration, so this Saturday will be the last one. So stay tuned for that as well. Alrighty. So take care, guys. We'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.